The JioPhone is getting two applications that everyone has been asking for: WhatsApp and YouTube. We have early access to both these apps, and even we're curious to see how well they work. You will find both the apps in the menu, recognizable by the familiar logos. WhatsApp takes a few seconds to load, which may be annoying for heavy texters. Once the app starts, you will see an interface similar to the WhatsApp UI on Android. You can send text messages, voice notes, photos, and videos. Sending text messages and voice notes is simple, while photos can be uploaded from the gallery. You cannot send videos that are on your phone, but you can forward videos that you have received in a WhatsApp message. WhatsApp on JioPhone also does not support WhatsApp voice calls and video calls, so users will have to continue relying on phone calls and the Jio Chat app for those. Moving on to YouTube, this app is faster to start than WhatsApp. You get a familiar UI here too, along with a cursor that you can control using the D-pad. You will have to move the cursor up or down to scroll through the video on the YouTube home screen. To search for a video, you have to move the cursor all the way to the top and look up the videos. There are social sharing buttons for Facebook, Twitter, and Google+, even though the last two are not available for the JioPhone yet. There is no WhatsApp sharing option though. While playing a video, the full screen view automatically goes to landscape mode. You can also pause or mute the video with the dedicated on-screen buttons. You can increase or decrease the volume using the 1 and 3 keys on the keypad, respectively. Feature phone users will be used to the experience the apps provide on JioPhone, but those who have used a smartphone before will find the experience a little slow to their liking. Voice commands for YouTube is presently limited to just opening the app, while WhatsApp does not support that either. So that's been our experience with WhatsApp and YouTube on the JioPhone. Let us know what you think about the implementation of these new features. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.